Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus or Note 8? Find out now after my intro. Hi guys, this is TZ Zilla back again with another quick video, and today I promise it's going to be a quick video. A question that keeps cropping up that a lot of people have been asking me in different social medias is, should I get an S9 Plus or should I get the Samsung Galaxy Note 8? Now, a lot of these people who are asking me this question have a different handset, an older handset, so maybe an S7 or an S7 Edge, or they've got an older iPhone, or, you know, the list goes on. And for me, the answer is simple for me personally, but it might be different to you. I'm going to break it down bit by bit to give you things to think about before you make your decision. So stay tuned for that. That's coming up right now. Number one, speakers. The S9 Plus has dual speakers. They will beat the single bottom firing speaker on the Note 8 without a shadow of a doubt. So that's 1 point to the S9 Plus. Number two, the screen is better on the S9 Plus. It's brighter. It's the best screen of all time on a mobile device. So that's another point to the S9 Plus. The S9 Plus also has more memory storage options. So you've got 64 gig, you've got 128 gig, and you've got 256 gigs, depending on the region you're in. So again, I would give that to the S9 Plus. The chipsets being used. I'm just going to say S9 instead of saying Plus, just makes it easier and more streamlined. The S9 has a Snapdragon 845 or an Exynos 9810 chipset. The Note 8, on the other hand, is running last year's flagship processors, so Snapdragon 835 and last year's Exynos chipset. Again, the win goes to the S9. The cameras. Now, they both got dual cameras on the back, but the win has to go to the S9 again, or the S9 Plus, because it's got dual aperture. First time any mobile device has got dual aperture, and it's a mechanical shutter that works over the lens. And it's got a lot more features in the S9 Plus's camera, so that's another win to the S9 Plus. It's also got a bigger battery than the Note 8. The Note 8 is a 3,300 milliamp hour battery. The S9 Plus is a 3,500 milliamp hour battery. Same as the S8 Plus last year. And even though I haven't tested the battery life out on the S9 Plus, I'm pretty confident, and I can confidently say to you guys, the S9 Plus battery will outlast the Note 8 without a shadow of a doubt, because my S8 Plus used to give me, well, still does, gives me 2 hours more screen on time than my Note 8 does. It is a big difference. So again, another win for the S9 Plus. Now, both my models will have dual SIM capability. They can both take a memory card. Now, Samsung have said you can use up to a 400 gigabyte SD card in the S9 Plus, whereas they were only saying 250 gigabytes on the Note 8. Now, I think technically they can both take 2 terabyte memory cards if they existed. Okay, so I'm just looking over that at the time, guys, in case you're wondering, my eyes keep wandering. So we'll call that a tie for memory card expansion. What else is there? Build quality on the S9 Plus has improved as well. The glass is thicker, the metal border is thicker, protecting the screen by 20% more in an accidental drop. So the build, I'd say They're both beautifully built. I mean, I've got my Note 8 here at the moment. I'd say they're both beautifully built. So if you want to get technical, S9 Plus. The Note 8 is also slightly bigger. So if you prefer slightly bigger handset, then maybe you want to look at the Note 8. The fingerprint sensor. Now, remember last year everyone moaned about Samsung putting the fingerprint sensor there. I never had an issue with it, but those of you with a smaller hand might prefer the S9 Plus's fingerprint sensor down here, so it'd be easier for you to reach. But for me on the Note 8, bang, bang, bang. No problem at all. I can find it, look. I'll dishevel my hand and look, bang, on there. Never had an issue with it, so. But I can see people's points. So I'd say again, that's a win for the S9 Plus. This is starting to look very, very one-sided, obviously. There's also intelligent scan on the S9 Plus where it uses your face and irises to determine how to unlock your phone. We don't have that on the Note 8 as yet. It might come as a software update, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to. This is also not running Android Oreo 8.0, whereas the S9 Plus will be running that, at least 8.0, if not 8.1 out the box. So another win there. So you're probably wondering, well, is this becoming a very one-sided horse race? What's the point of the Note 8? Purely and simply this. This is why you'd buy a Note 8. The S Pen. If you're someone who's an extreme power user and you use, and I mean genuinely think about this. If you're currently using a device without an S Pen, then you don't know what you're missing. So I would just go with the S9 Plus because it's a lot more future-proof. It's got a lot more improvements. If you never use the S Pen, like I said, you won't know what you're missing, so don't worry about it. But if you have used an S Pen in the past, then you will really miss not having this. But just take a few minutes to sit there and think to yourself, do I actually use the S Pen? How often do I use it? How long do I use it for when I actually do use it? Do I need to use it, or can I just use my finger, or can I use a swipe or a gesture or something else? That's something you need to really consider. Me personally, the way I'm going to have it is this: when my S9 Pluses come in, I'll use one of the S9 Pluses as my personal phone, and I'll use my Note 8 as my work phone. That's going to be my perfect setup. So think about it. If I would say if you use it, an S Pen maybe once a week for a few minutes, then you don't need the S Pen. Let's be honest. Let's be realistic. If you use it more than that, if you can hear sirens, don't worry guys, it's normal around here. Let it go. Finally. Only get a Note 8 if you really, really need the S Pen. But for everything else, the S9 Plus hands down. Also, some of you might be thinking about color options. Well, this maple gold is not a... I would have loved the S9 Plus to have maple gold. I'm happy with the color selections available, but I would have loved this on the S9 Plus. This is beautiful. This maple gold, look at that. I'm looking at the screen in case you're wondering what I'm looking at. Look at that shimmer. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So there you have it, guys. For me, hands down, if you can only have one handset and you really don't need the S Pen, and be honest with yourself, guys, really be, and ladies, be honest with yourself. Do you actually need the S Pen? If you don't, S9 Plus all the way. Because in the UK at least, the 128 gig storage model is the same price as the 64 gigabyte storage version of the Note 8. In the UK, you can only get the Note 8 in 64 gig storage option. You can import a 128 gig version, and you can import a 256 gigabyte version. I will leave links down below in the description if you're interested in going down that route. But seriously, and they're both dual SIMs. So I can put 2 SIMs in this or in the S9 Plus. So that's enough, guys. I think I pretty much confidently answered the question. S9 Plus or Note 8, hands down for me, S9 Plus. Anyway, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Share and like it. Hit that subscribe button down there and thumbs up. And the bell icon, because I'm going to have a lot more S9 Plus videos coming out. And you're going to want to see them. I'm going to do a lot of different comparison videos, case videos, screen protector videos, and so on. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.